Might as well check the rest of them. Make sure it's not gonna snap on me. But that is no good. Man. And if you look at the inside, it also, the cam is also offset. So just kind of make sure that you align those. It can happen that you could put it on backwards, not until you try to crank the motor, then you ended up with a broken slug. And also it has the a line there, so to let you know that this is wider than the other side. I've seen it happen. That bad boy's gonna burp. I don't want it to burp in front of my face. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Sagit 2. Well, hope you enjoy watching those 4 videos, or I think 5, as far as the RBC intake manifold. And I'm just about getting ready to install that in the car. And right now it's just nothing but a short video. I didn't put out any video I think last week, the last Thanksgiving, and then December coming up, Christmas, New Year. So you probably would not see as much, but as far as finalizing this will be for year 2023. And so yeah, right now my goal is just to prime the oil. It is a must for a freshly rebuilt motor, or a new motor that you build. Yeah, you don't want to go ahead and try to start it without priming the oil first. So right now I'm just going to ghetto rig this. Yeah, the battery on this one is dead. I've been charging this battery for quite some time, so hopefully it's got enough juice in it. So I'm not even gonna bother checking the lights inside the cabin. I just need to see the flow of oil coming out here and the cams. Okay, let's try it. I'm just gonna let the starter rest for a minute or two, and I'm gonna keep doing that till till the oil comes out. There we go. You see it right there? Right at the center of the can. Cool. All right. Well, there you go. So now all I need is to button this up and hook up some more parts to it, and I'm good to go. Remember, on Miley, I'm gonna put one of these makeup plate, of course recycle, just in case I need to use one of those oil catch can, and this will help out a lot. I think this is the key of my success right here. So if you ever wanted to use one of those catch can, put one of these in there. just bend it in place. This is a heat shield. Yeah, there's plenty of these on the junkyard. Any tin can will work.
Okay, something like this.
And I'm gonna bend this back. Here it is. And make sure to check the torque. 19 pounds a foot. I'm gonna put a little bit of silicone just to keep the seal in place. Yeah, this prevent oil from leaking out. Yeah, H22 is notorious to oil leak on this corner. Alright, double check, make sure everything is good. That is torqued. And my oil is already been primed and everything, and I am good to go. I am going to finish this thing up with this bling bling factor, especially with my blue valve cover. Put some oil, a little bit of oil on the rubber seal. I don't want to drop anything in there because I don't have a spark plug on there yet. It's better to be safe than sorry. This washer is pretty neat. They even had their logo on there. I gotta get moving. I need to go to the dealership and get me one of those rubber grommet for the PCV. Torque is 108. Start from the center. Oh crap. God, you saw it. So now I have to deal with this. I have to take it off. Man, might as well check the rest of them. Make sure it's not gonna snap on me. But that is no good. Man, That's kind of sucky. So now I have to remove this. Well, it's a good thing it happened now rather than getting started and everything. But anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. So hopefully you like this episode, priming the oil and everything. So it's very important. So make sure you do prime the oil first before you start your engine. Alright guys, and I'll see you guys back. Bye everyone. Take care. Man, got a replacement for it. The stud that broke off on the nut, I'll put that on later. I had to do it before the sealant dries out. But I have replaced the bolt like how you've seen it. For now, I just use the regular corn nuts on that one till I remove the piece that got stuck on there. Yeah, I had to do it real quick. Good thing I got this one. I got the bolt. Yeah, I have some spare. Right on. Bye everyone. See you guys back.